Did you know it's easy to cook dry fry with little water to make it cook faster? Most people ruin dry fry beef before it even starts cooking. If your beef is tough, dry and tasteless, this is why. Watch to the end. Subscribe to learn more. So start by washing the beef. So cook beef that has some fat on it, not too lean. So heat your pan properly before adding the meat. Do not add water. Do not cover the pan. Let the beef fry. This is where most people fail. And don't stir too much. The beef produces its own water because remember we washed the beef. Have your ingredients ready. We have your onions, we have green pepper, we have some ginger and 2 Royco cubes ready for this dry fry. So grind the ginger. I like putting salt in the ginger so that it's easy to grind. There we are. Have your spices ready. So the meat has dried. So add the ginger. So don't panic when it looks dry or stick to the pan. Just keep stirring. So beef that is not lean releases its own oil. So keep stirring using that. But if the beef is lean, you have to add some oil. So you realize it become brown. You can add spices at this point for it to coat the meat, but only after the beef has browned and released oil. That's when you can add these spices so that it just gels in. So the meat is like roast meat. At this point is when you can add a little water because the spices make it stick to the pan, and this will need a little gravy to make it yummy. So you can see that the pan. Just a little water. So add the sliced onions and green pepper and start to lightly cook. You put onions at the end so that it's not overcooked. If you add onions too early, they boil instead of fry. So dry fry beef doesn't need many spices, but you can add some if you want to. So let the beef flavor shine. This is what dry fry beef should look like: brown, juicy, not swimming in water. If this helped you, subscribe. Please subscribe for more food fixes coming in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.